So, the people that had this house before me, they kind of replaced the countertops 3 years ago about, and there's this silicone caulking that they did between the countertop and the backsplash, but they didn't do it right. And the reason I say that is because, I don't know if this is going to focus, there are some areas that it's just coming out. It's like completely, you see there's the caulk right there, there's none right there, and then it comes back, caulk, 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 caulk. So I have to remove the old caulking, put new caulking in, and ensure that it goes in deep enough so it actually stays in, and do it right. I haven't done this for maybe 10 years. I don't know if I'll be able to use the caulking gun because my hands are extremely weak right now. But we'll see how this goes. I saw somebody else on YouTube doing caulking with their finger. I'm like, oh hell no, you don't do caulk with your finger. You use tools. So I have this little tool. It helps remove the caulk on this side, and then on this side it helps like push it in and clean it up, and of course I'm going to use my finger to clean it up or a paper towel to clean it up, but not my finger to put it in. I have to, since I'm doing that spot, I have to do the whole thing all the way down, because if I just do one spot, all of this is more than likely not in correctly either. It's like that right there. It's like bubbled up. I don't know what the hell is going on right there. The other part is where the sink meets the countertop. It's all missing in this area. It comes and it's all moldy, so they kind of used the wrong stuff in this because of the mold. Of course they didn't put the sink in correctly either because it kept pushing back. So my son-in-law fixed and put a board back there so it doesn't push back anymore. So I'll see how this goes. All you need to use is a caulk tool, caulk gun, and I bought silicone to be able to do this. Alcohol. Because alcohol is really good. And it dries fast. What's the word with? Okay. Back. Wish me luck. I'm going to need it. Oh, hands aren't strong enough to do this. And that's where the finger's coming in, because the faucet's in the way. So I went through, finished doing what I was doing with the tool that you last saw. The tool actually pushes in the silicone into the crevices. That way it's just not sitting outside on top like it was before. So it's actually pushed in now. And it looks a heck of a lot better with something in here. But now I have to do the sink around the sink because this is just absolutely disgusting.